Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these cards are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And Scorpios, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have King of Swords in reverse, Two of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are seeing some good changes, positive changes. You are seeing offers, opportunities, something taking you towards success and abundance in your career, or some happy circumstances in your relationship. You are happy with this person. You feel that you both share a great love, mutual understanding, and love may be there in this connection. And you feel that this relationship will work, and you feel very confident about this person, about this connection. And you are feeling really happy to be with them. You enjoy their company, and there is mutual love and understanding in this relationship. That is what you feel. That is what you are thinking about this love. You feel that you love them the same way they love you, and you want this relationship to move to the next level. You may have a lot of plans for your future, thinking about you and your person, imagining about the wonderful life you both are going to have. But this person you love, they have another side. So they are not telling you something, they are hiding something. Maybe they are here in this relationship because they see this connection as an opportunity to use you, or opportunity to make use of you in some ways, maybe financially, or maybe use your skills and talents to achieve something for themselves. So the reason they are here with you may not be love. So you need to be really careful. So this person is not truly in love with you, and you need to be very careful with them because their intentions are not good, and they are planning something. Maybe you need to be really careful with this person, guys, because they may have some plans for you, and that is the reason they are with you today. So their intentions are not good and they cannot be trusted. That is what I feel. So let's see what is the card. It's Five of Wands. So maybe you will face a lot of circumstances, a lot of difficult circumstances in this love. You are fighting, struggling to hold on to this person, to hold on to this relationship, but still, with these cards, I feel that maybe with this person's intentions not good. There is a little chance that this relationship will work for you, Scorpios. So you need not lose heart, guys. This person is not someone good, so you need not cry over this relationship. That is what I see with these cards. So for your career situation, we will see what is the card. It's Three of Cups in reverse. So in your work, things are falling back into place. Maybe you would have faced some difficulties, you would have had some financial loss, some project suspensions, but whatever it was, your circumstances are definitely changing for the better. So that is what I see with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is a Crystal Spirits card and the crystal for y'all today is amethyst, and the message with this crystal. So in your circumstances, maybe you are quite comfortable the way things are in this connection, way circumstances are going. But this crystal reminds you to see that you may have some exciting possibilities of something better in this relationship. So when you are with this person, you feel really comfortable and happy about the way things are going. Maybe just because you are used to it, you don't want to change it. But if you change the way you are in this relationship, you are going to feel much more happy if you give up your old ways of interaction or your actions, change in your actions. That is going to bring a major change in this relationship. So even smaller things like saying thank you or I love you is going to make a difference today, make a huge difference, and it is going to be the first step towards healing. So whatever difficulties in your circumstances you may have, you are going to walk that path of healing. And just like you want to listen to this person, you want this person to listen to you when you say something. So it may be something they are quite uncomfortable about, but you are going to say that. Just the same way, when they say something, you will feel defensive. So this may be the time you need to rethink about your situation, rethink about the way you are in this relationship, and this is the time for rediscovery, calling you to deepen the trust and intimacy you have with this person. So you need not feel shy, you just have to go forward, march on, take all their whatever complaints or whatever regrets they have in a positive mindset and change it and build more trust and build more intimacy in this relationship. That is the energy here with this crystal. And if we meditate with this crystal, it is simply going to open our minds, release all the stress we have, and release all that expectation we have in our life, expectations of what we should be doing instead of just enjoying what is there with us already. And this crystal helps us to connect with the spirit and increase our intuitive abilities. So that is the energy with this crystal. So that is the energy with this card for you all, for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is brother and sister. Transformation. Such a beautiful card here. So in your circumstances today, maybe you are not listening to someone's warnings, or someone is trying to tell you something. And this card is about the energy is about finding the balance. So you may want certain things, but when you obtain it, what will be the result? Are you going to enjoy it? Are you truly happy for what you have achieved? So trying to find the balance between what you want and what is the reality. And you are being warned about something. Maybe someone close to you is telling you to avoid certain things, but you are not listening to them. That may be the reason for the consequences or for the circumstances you are facing today. So you need to be really balanced, have that balanced mindset that is going to help you today. And you may have people you need to take care of, or there are people taking care of you. So when they are advising you certain things, you must listen to them. And this card also speaks about the close relationship we share with friends and family members, and trying to understand the difference between what you want and the things that will harm you. So you must understand that, and you must wish accordingly. So the things that you wish may hurt you, so you must not wish that. That is the reason people are advising you against it. So if that is the circumstance today, you must listen to this advice. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.